Williams.
Here we go. Oh, that was a fail. I tried to get it on my 301, but no.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
So yeah, I also got the required weekly test with all of my birthday radios, which is awesome. So yeah, 262 went off. The 260 went off. 301 went off for its first time. Zone Guard got it. And surprisingly enough, my 519 got it, even though it still sounds like this. So yeah. That's pretty much it. SG2413, signing out.